Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to clear all the link history on your Instagram. If you want to clear all the link history which you have copied the link of and you want to remove it from your Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Instagram app on your device. So if you have not installed, you need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Instagram where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the stories and the post kept by your friends and families at the very home page. So click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and from here you just need to click on the option of three straight lines at the very top right, and this is the place where you can see the options of saved, archived and your activity. So click on the option of your activity, and under that you just need to scroll down until you see the option of link history. So click on the option of link history, and to clear all the link history you will see the option of clear all at the very top right, or you may also remove it one by one, so that it is according to your choice. So click on the option of clear all at the very top right, and a pop-up will appear saying links to all the recent sites that you have visited on Instagram in-app browsers will be cleared from this, and you won't be able to visit them again. So click on the option of clear, and after some times or few seconds the link history will be clear from your Instagram account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. That's how you can clear your link history on Instagram. Thank you for watching it. Bye bye.